Alright guys, today we're going to be working on a 1997 Jeep Cherokee 4.0. I'm going to work on replacing the thermostat, so sit back, enjoy the show. Alright, as you guys can see here, I've gone ahead and disassembled first part, and then I went ahead and took off the two hoses here as well. That's connected to the housing unit for the thermostat. I am going to be hitting these two bolts here, one there. There's another one a little further down in there where my thumb is on that bottom side. I don't know if you can see that good enough from this angle, but another bolt down there, and then we should be off looking at the gasket and the thermostat from that point. Alright, as you guys can see, I got the top bolt off. The bottom one is under there holding on, as you can see it. That's a lot better. As you can see here, I'm just moving the housing unit around, but the bolt's still in there. We are getting to it. As you can see, gasket, and you can see the old thermostat peeking an eye at us. We will be there shortly. Alright, it is off the vehicle, and as you see, I got some scraping to do in regards to cleanup, but as you can see, thermostat is there. I'll be popping that bad boy out, cleaning it up, and that'll be it. Man's gloves is dirty, but you can't tell because they're black. That's why I like them. Alright, so as you can see, everything is scraped when it comes to the unit, and I have also cleaned the housing unit itself. I just don't got it with me at the moment, but you give me a second, I'll show you that too. Alright, back. As you can see, this has been cleaned real nice. Use some brake parts cleaner, new gasket sealing of course, and a new thermostat. The old one, as obviously you can see, very warm in comparison to the newbie. So we are just about done now. And just like that, the unit is back on. The housing unit for the thermostat. Already plugged this back up. Just got to connect this hose. Of course, my heater hose. And I got both bolts already back on. As you can see, the top one and that bottom one under there. Oh, the tricky one. Got that one in there as well. And I will say that I did do this without removing any of the front assembly. So for those that had to do all that extra work, I'm here to show you you can do this without removing any of the front assembly and going straight in and getting the thermostat. Now I will say it was a pain getting this one, but if you got the right equipment, you can get that bad boy without having to do all that extra work. So your tear down is simpler and your put back is much quicker. So we're all done here. It's actually running. The replacement is completed. As you can see, everything looks good. Sealing's locked in there. Was a little leak, but it's all stopped now. Had a little drip there, but it's pretty much all we needed. Little gasket sealer, new thermostat, the old one, a little scraper, a little bit more fluid, and a homemade funnel out of some computer paper. And that's a job.